Sure. I mean, this is an area that's had massive focus. I think maybe in the short term, people have got a little bit too excited about it, but I think it's a major story for several years. So the weight loss drugs that are currently being sold by Novo Nordisk and Eli Lilly, these two products can achieve weight loss after over a year on drug of anything from 14 to 18%. So pretty potent versus anything we used to have. And there's been significant demand, so much that both companies are struggling with supply to the market. Now, we think that changes next year, which should lead to very strong revenue growth for those companies. The reason that it's sort of a multi-year story is we'll see many more products come through. So Novo Nordisk, for example, have a product in development called CagriSema. That's a combination product. The mid-stage data from that product suggested efficacy in the realms of 20 to 25% weight loss over a similar time frame. So they're in late-stage trials. That will read out in 2025. That's the next iteration. And then we expect other companies to come into the market. Boehringer Ingelheim, which is a private company, they have a drug they licensed from Zealand Pharma, and that looks like an exciting high efficacy product as well. And there are other companies. The current therapies and the Boehringer product are once a week injections, small injections, but oral products are in development as well. I think there'll be more scrutiny on side effects there due to the risk of off-target effects, but they could look really exciting. And if price ultimately comes down for these products, the utilization will widen. And it's not just about weight loss and the drivers of people wanting that. These drugs seem to have extra benefits in terms of cardiovascular and kidney health and other areas. So it looks like it will be one of the, if not the biggest healthcare markets we've seen. There's always a left field risk of some kind of safety issue cropping up, but as far as we can tell, these products have been used. Earlier generations of these products have been used in millions of diabetic patients. So we have a really strong safety data set. These drugs are now going in non-diabetics. Their higher dose is more powerful. So that needs to be watched. But the demand for these products is enormous. And it's the biggest theoretical market I've come across. 650 million patients theoretically. And even if there's small penetration of that market size, these products will be very, very big.